Alright guys, so it's been a while since I did any toilet how-to videos, but today I think it's about time for us to do another toilet repair video, and this one is how to replace the toilet seat. Okay, so this is a SoftClose toilet seat from Toto, and the top part SoftClose is perfectly fine, but the bottom part, as you can see, is totally gone. So what we're gonna do today is I bought brand new SoftClose toilet seat, and again it should be the exact same thing. We've had this toilet bowl or the toilet for about almost 10 years now, so it's lasted us quite a while, and I would say for $60 it is probably a good investment if your toilet bowl, the SoftClose mechanism is broken. All right, so what do you have to do? Okay, if you still have the broken ones, is get yourself a flathead screwdriver. You're literally just gonna pop this cap open, and it's gonna expose this little plastic knob, and all you're gonna do is literally just loosen this knob, and on the bottom there is a nut, so you have to hold that nut at the bottom and then loosen this. Once it's loosened, you can literally just lift the whole bowl off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just show you guys after I lift it up. So I already have the new seat here. I throw away the old seat. Again, they are exactly the same thing. Comes with just 6 pieces of hardware. You got 2 rubber stoppers. Those go under the cover to make sure the toilet seat doesn't move around. And you have your nut and the bolt, the exact same thing as the one that we just took out. You align the 2 holes, have the nut at the bottom, and make sure this little curved area is facing up. Okay, so something like that, and put your toilet seat on top. Before you do that, again, just make sure this thing goes behind. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Goes behind here and align the rib area. Okay, so it locks and stops in place, and then you need to pop the top cover off. Okay, which is this little tab over here. I'm gonna try to pop it off. Use a screwdriver, it's gonna be much easier. Let's see if I can do it right here. So once you pop that off, pop the other one off. Same thing. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but they should be off. All right, so let me show you guys, and you're gonna pry this and make sure it just sits flat. Then install the other rubber cover, and literally just lay this nicely on top, and make sure the stopper or the rubber part does not fall off. Okay, I'm gonna do this gently, and like so. You are already over 90% done. Okay, so just align, and align also with your toilet seat, and again make sure everything's aligned perfectly. It looks pretty good. This one is slightly larger than my Drake toilet. Okay, so this toilet is older. So it's not the exact perfect fit, but it does fit on top. The model number is SS114. Okay, make sure you buy the genuine Toto seat for your Toto toilet. Don't go cheap and save that $5, because I think in terms of longevity wise, the cheaper one is not gonna last as long. This one lasted us almost 10 years, okay, before it started to go bad, just from repeated use. All right, so keep that in mind. But again, the last step to do is align this at the bottom, drop the bolt on there, and tighten the bolt. All right, so I kind of aligned the toilet, and or almost aligned, slightly off, and then just tightened everything. Okay, again, if it's not going to tighten, just make sure you hold the bottom nut so it starts to lock itself. Okay, everything's tightened nicely, and Once it's done and everything's aligned, pop this back in there, hide it, and give it a try. Should work. Wow, look at that. It works so good that it's coming down super slow. So yeah, it works. The bottom one is obviously the one we want to test. Now it shouldn't slam. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a difference. All right, so that's pretty much it. Again, really nothing hard about replacement. You got those 6 pieces, just make sure your washer is installed and the direction of those nuts and bolts are going correctly. And then you have a perfectly working toilet seat in no time. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button and subscribe. I should have more home improvement videos and how-to videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.